Hi, Rune from SlideHub here with a product update. First feature I want to highlight is a notification feature for when you're working on slides that have been updated in your company library in the meanwhile. So we know that, of course, the content is dynamic. There will be changes to, for example, your proposal slides in terms of the number of employees in your company or some of the team slides if a new team member have joined the life science industry group, something like that. There'll be changes all of the times. If you are working in a slide where you have downloaded the company slide from SlideHub and there's been any changes from the company library manager, then you will get this notification here that you have a slide that has been updated. So I can also click here. You can see that it's gonna run a small check here based on all of the slides I have in the presentation. You can see I have one slide that is outdated, so I click on this, and then I get the option to click on insert the updated slides, or I can of course also ignore it. So if I click on updated, you'll see in my deck here it has been inserted below. So I can also compare if needed, and then I can delete the old slide. Now it says all the slides are up to date. So a super useful feature if you're working on some slides and there might have been some changes in the past. The key thing here is of course that you download the slides from within SlideHub. If you download, for example, for your open and no presentation on OneDrive, SharePoint, anything like that, SlideHub can't run the check and compare the matches. So download it directly from SlideHub, and then you'll also get the notification if anything is outdated. Next thing is a smaller thing, but if I go into the navigation here, you see that I have my small profile settings here that I can click on. I can make changes here. I can go directly to our help center. You can contact support, which would be me if you have any feedback or any technical issues. We also have other members in other time zones. And you can basically make any changes here with the phone numbers if you want to receive our emails and so forth. And final thing I want to show is the ability to provide a link to a slide or a presentation in your company library. So let's say I have this new slide, and I know one of my colleagues have been working on this as well. You can open it here and then click on this small link button. Then you copy the link to your clipboard, and you can paste it into Teams, whatever it is that you're working on, and your colleague will then click on the link, and it will open in the browser version and take them directly to the slide. So I hope that this will be helpful for you, and you can build some slides that are up to date. And I think also this is something that's cool. If you're an administrator of the company library, you'll actually have the opportunity to go in and make updates, and it will be rolled out across the entire organization immediately, and all your team members can update with a couple of clicks. So if you have any feedback, as always, just reach out to me and let me know on how we can improve. Thanks for your time.